then another dua we should be making is رَبَّنَا لَا تُؤَاخِذْنَا إِن نَسِينَا أَوْ أَخْطَأْنَا رَبَّنَا وَلَا تَحْمِلْ عَلَيْنَا إِصْرًا كَمَا حَمَلْتَهُ عَلَى الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِنَا رَبَّنَا وَلَا تُحَمِّلْنَا مَا لَا طَاقَةَ لَنَا بِهِ وَاعْفُ عَنَّا وَاغْفِرْ لَنَا وَارْحَمْنَا أَنْتَ مَوْلَانَا فَانصُرْنَا عَلَى الْقَوْمِ الْكَافِرِينَ. This is part of the last two verses of Surah Al-Baqarah that we have been taught to recite every night. The Prophet ﷺ said the one who recites them, then these verses will be enough for them. Enough for what? In terms of reward. And also that these verses will bring you what you are asking for. What are you asking for? That our Lord do not impose blame upon us if we have forgotten or erred. Because sometimes what happens? Something bad happens and you forget that you should not say negative things. You realize after a few moments. So you ask Allah, Ya Allah, forgive me because I forgot. Forgive me because I made a mistake. Our Lord, do not lay upon us a burden like that which you laid upon those before us. Because sometimes you hear about very difficult trials that people have experienced. So ask Allah, Ya Allah, protect me. Don't impose such burdens on me. I don't know if I'll be able to handle it. Our Lord, burden us not with that which we have no ability to bear. Only decree for me that which I am able to bear, and pardon us and forgive us and have mercy upon us. You are our protector, so give us victory over the disbelieving people.